What is going on, guys? If this is your first time to my channel, Passive Income Trucker channel, please do me a favor on your way in, hit that subscribe button. And if you find value in the content of this video, hit that thumbs up for me too. It'd be greatly appreciated. And for those of you that's recently subscribed, thank you very much. I greatly appreciate it. And in this channel, we generally talk about passive income, affiliate marketing, so on and so forth. So we'll be signing into my Clickbank account. I believe this is going to be day 15 of our Clickbank series challenge. So if that's what you're looking to find out about, stick around. My name's Curtis, aka. All right. And if this is your first time on my channel, do me a favor too, also, if you don't mind, go back to the first video I put out, day 1 and 2, right here. I'll have a link in the description below for the uh, playlist. Had to think of it there for a second, excuse me. And so that way you won't be completely lost on where we're at. On day 15 here, we're going to be signing into Clickbank, like I said, see if we made any more money or not. And sending out some more emails in our My Lead Gen Secret, which is a complete copy and paste emailing system. Pretty much all done for you, all in a box, where you can get up to 100 to 200 leads per day to email out whatever products you want to promote through Clickbank, as long as it is an online make money type deal. So we're gonna go with that. And let's see, let's go ahead and go into Clickbank first. We'll log in. I don't believe we've made anything more, but nope, not yet. And this is the real life of it, guys, folks, because sometimes, you might not get the best in leads, and it takes a while for people to, warm up to you. We've so far made $78 in sales through, I wouldn't say the exact day is 15, but you know what I'm saying. So we're going to go to Marketplace, and of course we got to go to e-business, e-marketing, only one we can use. I'm going to sort by gravity. It wants to work right for me today. And we're going to go down to the 12-minute affiliate system right here. Open the affiliate page in a new tab. And we got to go find our emails. Swipes. So let's scroll down a little bit here. There'll be a thing that says email swipes that you go to. Grab swipes here. There they are. When they come into the Google Drive here, go over to your right. Go down to the third one, I believe it is. And that'll bring up your email swipes that you want to use. So we're going to go to, let's see, I think we've done that one, I believe we've even done that one. So we're on the number 6. Let's see which subject line we want to use. This is so cool, don't miss out. You'll kick yourself if you miss out on this. I think I'll use the second one for today. Well, let's copy it. All right, we're going to go back to our My Lead Gen Secrets, our first account. If you don't have one of these accounts, make sure you sign up for one, preferably 2. And if you can afford it, 5. I've got 6, so we're going to go with that today. You want to go in your mailing system and see I'm getting 200 leads per day because I'm daisy chained under myself with this. We're going to go down to the subject line. We're going to paste it. And we're going to take the first name, copy it, paste it in there. There we go. Now we're going to go back to our email swipe and just copy the whole body there. Go back to the mailing system. And guys, I know this is redundant, but this is what you got to do if you're in affiliate marketing. You know, it's a repetitive system, day in, day out. You got to do it every single day if you want to get anywhere and get more leads into looking at your products. It's all a numbers game. So we're gonna hit Control V, put that in there, and you got to stick with it, whether you're actually making a whole lot of money or not. You know, if you're not spending a lot of money, if you can afford what you are spending, just hang in there with it. It'll eventually pick up. You just watch. I'm not gonna give up on this. We're gonna see where we come in here at. Let's see if we can. I'm gonna take out all these spaces. So give me just a second. All right, now we're going to put the first name in here, which I believe I've already got. No, I got the body there. Let me go back up here, copy the name. There's bracket to bracket, squiggly line brackets. You got to have both of them. And just back the comma off and Control V. There we go. Of course, you see it's not in bold, so you can bold it if you want. So you ain't going to change a whole lot of stuff. There we go. Check it out right here. So we're going to put our link in right here. We're going to take that particular thing out though. Just go click there. Let's see. Let's put check it out here. Not right here. And help if I could put a C on that, wouldn't it? All right, and then we go back to, I gotta go back to the marketplace, which you make sure you're on the 12-minute affiliate, hit promote. And if you want to track it, just put MLGS in there. That'll keep track of your link. Copy that. Got that green line, you're good to go. Go back to your mailing system, paste that in there. If you want to track it by accounts, make sure you put a 1 in there. And hit OK. And then you're good to go with that link. And my preference of white and red for the link boxes. So we're going to do the same thing here. Trust me when I tell you that you'll kick yourself if you lose out on this. So let's put it, don't lose out on this one. Well, I ain't typing anything. All right. Don't lose out on this. And then we'll go ahead and put that link in with the 1. Hit OK. And then my box, text inbox. There we go. And gotta get that out of there. That's another thing. If you're too close to these, it'll pick it up. So just do that and then hit enter. That way it won't link it. I can't spell today, can I? Actually, try to type too fast. I believe it is. You know, I ain't a fast typer anyway. There you go. That's pretty much the gist of that. I'm gonna go ahead and do this tier 2 because you can like bold it, italicize it. We'll change. We'll put a capital C in there. You don't have to do this. It's just, you know, if you want to. All right, and I'm gonna add a picture, so I need to go to Facebook, grab a picture, see which one of these is gonna pop up. This might take a minute because my Facebook takes forever to load. I'm not sure why. There we go. Let me see if I can grab one of these pictures here. I think I'll grab some of my grandbabies. How does that sound? Some of my grandbabies. By the way, I got 9 of them. So, uh, copy image address. There we go. I think that's all I need there. And paste. Yep. They're a lot older than what you see in this picture now, so I think they might enjoy being in Grandpa's thing. Well, let's take that out. Gotta fix this right quick. Hang on just a second.